The dire wolf, Anoscion dirus, was an extinct canine species that roamed the Americas during the late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs. Around 125,000 to 10,000 years ago. Key points about the dire wolf. Size: similar in height and length to the largest modern gray wolves, but with a more robust build, heavier bones, and a broader skull. They weighed, on average, 60 to 68 kilograms, 132 to 150 pounds, but could reach higher weights. Appearance: they likely resembled gray wolves, but were more heavily built, with potentially white coats. Habitat: they lived in a variety of habitats across North and South America, including plains, grasslands, and some forested mountain areas. Diet: they were carnivores that preyed on large Ice Age animals, like bison, horses, and possibly mammoths. Their powerful jaws and teeth were adapted for crushing bones and shearing through tough hides. Extinction: dire wolves went extinct around 10,000 years ago, likely due to the disappearance of their large prey, possibly linked to climate change and/or human hunting. Not a direct ancestor of modern wolves. Despite their resemblance, dire wolves were not direct ancestors of gray wolves. The two lineages diverged millions of years ago. Famous fossils: a large number of dire wolf fossils have been found in the La Brea tar pits in Los Angeles. Recent de-extinction claims. In April 2025, Colossal Biosciences announced the birth of 3 genetically engineered wolf pups that physically resemble dire wolves. These were created using genetic information from ancient dire wolf fossils and gene editing technology on gray wolf cells carried to term by domestic dogs. However, independent scientists note that these pups, while resembling dire wolves, won't possess the learned hunting behaviors of the extinct species.